So y is a negative number greater than -8 is x greater than the average of y and -8. Sometimes it may actually just be helpful to draw yourself a number line or a partial number line and figure things out from there. So if we have -8 here, y is greater than -8, which means it's closer to 0. So we'll just put y here. We don't have to assign a number to it. The average of y and -8 will be right in the middle. And we need to know whether x is greater than the average, that is to say this way, or whether it goes in the other direction, if it's less than the average. Let's see what the statements give us. Statement 1, on the number line, x is closer to -8 than it is to y. That puts x on this side of the average, which means that x is not greater than the average of y and -8. So this is sufficient to tell us no. We can cross off B, C, and E. Statement 2 tells us that x equals 4 times y. So here, let's just pick some numbers. Let's just say that y is equal to -1 and x is equal to -4. The average of the average of y and -8 is what is it? 7 halves, -7 halves, which is -3.5. So in that case, so average equals -3.5. Here in this case, x is not greater than the average of the two. It's less. If we, on the other hand, say that y equals -6, I guess I should have picked a different number. I should have picked like y equals 1/2 or something. Anyway, you can pick numbers such that sometimes x is greater than the average of y and -8, and sometimes x is less than the average of y and -8. So with different values, with sometimes yes, sometimes no on a yes-no question, the answer is insufficient, and therefore statement 1 alone is sufficient.